How to share your Behance profile link. The way you do it is extremely simple. Here, I'm on my Behance homepage. I'll just click up here and then press this Behance profile. And I'm on my profile, and your link to your profile is up here. It's in the address bar. You can copy this and now you can share it wherever. But how can you share this? If you just give this link to someone, they'll be hard to understand and hard to remember. So in this example, let's put our Behance profile link into a QR code. So let's open a new tab and let's search QR code generator. I'll press this one and let's paste in our Behance link. And this is the QR code to your Behance profile. When someone scans this, they'll be redirected to your Behance profile. You can also share this on your social media, on Twitter, on Instagram, whichever one you like. If you find this link a little bit too long, we can also shorten the link. Let's try that. Link shortener. I'll just go to this one up here. I'll paste in the link. I'll shorten the URL. And now your link is a little bit shorter. And that is how you share your Behance profile link. It's as easy as that.